you're taking your Unit 5 biology exam soon, where you spend time right now will make a huge difference for your grade. Based on my experience, the majority of questions are focused on just few areas, which makes exam questions quite predictable. I'll be sharing with you here today 10 of those topics, so hopefully it will save you a lot of revision time. Let's first start with the first topic, respiration. You need to focus on chemiosmosis, the electron transport chain, and the effect of poisons on respiration in general. Next, learn in full details the mechanism of muscle contraction, the sliding filament theory. Number 3, the regulation of heart and breathing rate are always asked in the form of a scenario related to some sort of exercise or a disease. Number 4, homeostasis is asked in the form of data analysis, but what you can prepare here is how this process of thermoregulation brought about. In all recent exam papers, there has always been a question about osmoregulation. I strongly recommend that you review the structure and the function of the nephron, especially the part about the countercurrent multiplication and the role of ADH. The most important part throughout past papers has always been the action potential and how changes of voltage are related to sodium and potassium concentration. Also, study the role of the synapse and the role of rod cells in vision. Number 7, plant hormones. This topic is usually asked in the context of some experiment, so spend time reviewing how auxins cause cell elongation. 8 is about brain imaging techniques. Expect questions to compare between those techniques and how they are used to diagnose certain diseases. Speaking of diseases, don't forget to revise about Parkinson's disease and depression. Last but not least is gene technology. Do learn how the process of genetic modification is done for plants and animals and the microarrays part, which is quite important. I wish you all the best for your upcoming exam.